Do you love to have lots of fantastic hair, beauty, or luxury products? There are lots of people who love to have various types of hair beauty products in their house. In this case, you must need a good place to keep or organize them properly. So, you need to have the best hair tool organizer from the market. Everybody loves to have this product, but if you do not keep them adequately, it will not look very good in your room and not last for long. But if you keep them in a better place properly, they will look excellent and last for a long time. Are you tense about choosing a proper hair tool organizer for you? Remember that you should not buy any cheap thing from the market because it will not last for long. Always buy the best one and stay tension-free for a long time. We have an expert team, and they are ready to suggest the best one from the market. They have researched a lot on this and made a complete buying guide that will help you to buy the best one for you. So, stay with us and choose the exact one for you. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hair tool organizers. Number 1, Black Style Station by Polder. Do you want a very basic level tool organizer? Then you can use this black colored stylish organizer, which Polder makes. Polder makes products with quality material, and they have a positive review from the customer side about this product. If you work with heat materials like hair straighteners or hair dryers, and you have your children or your loving pet in your house, then you can use this tool station. If you do not use it, then the tools might be the reason for any danger for your children or pet. This tool holder is made with a heat absorption system, so if you keep any hot tool like a hair straightener, it will not affect the holder. You can keep this anywhere you feel comfortable in your room. There are 3 chambers and they have enough space for specific tools like a hair dryer or hair straightener. The pros are, it has a large space, it is heat resistant, it can also last for long, it's compact in size and easily movable. However, the cons are, you cannot keep or hang it behind the door. Why do we recommend it? As you want a fundamental level tool organizer, this is the best choice for you. It has a large space to hold 3 tools. You can easily keep your tools in it while using. Moreover, it has a heat absorption system that works pretty well. Number 2, Simple Houseware Wall Mount Tools Organizer. Are you looking for a wall mount tool organizer which will last for a long time? The Simple House brand always cares for you about these types of products. This product is metallic and it is chrome in color. As it is colored like steel, there is no way it will become discolored. So, we can say that the beautiful look of this organizer will never be damaged. You can place this one hanging on the wall easily. This is one of the best wall-mounted hair tool organizers ever. The hanging lips are on the top side, so you can also easily hang them with the door. It depends on your comfort zone. Hanging on the wall is a better option because it might become slightly hot if you keep your hair straightener inside, which is not suitable for children or pets. The pros are, it looks gorgeous. It has a huge space. It can be mounted to a wall. The color lasts for a lifetime and easily movable. The cons are, if you put tools in it, then it might be slightly hot. Why do we recommend it? We mainly recommend it to you because you want a perfect wall-mounted tool organizer, and it is exactly the thing which you want. It takes up a small space in your wall. The design is also far better than any other organizer. Number 3, Jack Cube Design Accessories Organizer. Jack Cube built this product with faux leather, which looks incredible. This has a fantastic design in which there is much space. You can keep this one anywhere you want in the room. It is more than possible to keep many beauty tools in it. Suppose you want a tool organizer where you can keep smaller to larger tools. Usually, women need various kinds of hair tools, so it is suitable for them. We can say that it is the safest hair tool organizer for women. The organizer is well finished with a leather coating. It has a unique design of 12 by 7.5 by 5.3 inches, which is enough for single use. Pros: it is well designed, it's made with leather, it has a huge space, it is easily adjustable, and long-lasting. However, the cons are, you need to keep it away from water as it is made with faux leather. Why do we recommend it? It has a huge space to keep different types of hair kits. This is really better for women as they use various types of hair kits. They can easily keep all of them in it. Number 4, multifunctional hair tools organizer. Are you looking for a multifunctional hair tools organizer? If we are correct, then this one is the perfect choice for you. The fantastic thing is this organizer is made of wood, which looks very excellent and intelligent. You're going to like this modern design tool organizer. Are you confused about the longevity of this product? No worries. This is crafted with premium quality wood that will not damage in hot or cold weather. As it is made of wood to keep your used heated instrument in it, it can absorb the heat without any problem. The pros are, it has a dynamic design, it is made with premium quality wood, it also absorbs heat, it can last for long, it is multifunctional. The cons are, you have to keep it away from water. Why do we recommend it? As you are looking for a multifunctional hair tool organizer, and this one has a modern and smart design, that's why we highly recommend it for you. Definitely, this is going to be the best hair tool organizer cabinet for you. Number 5, metal wire wall mount hair tool organizer. Do you want a hair tool organizer that lasts for a long time? Here it is. A metal wired made wall mounted hair tool organizer perfectly matches your choice. Stainless steel is used as the primary material, which has so much strength to hold your tools. This is black in color and a little bit heavier than other tool organizers. Hanging to the wall is very easy. You can put warm tools into it as it is steel, so heat cannot damage it. Rust and waterproof features increased this product's longevity. Damage-free, and the installation process is so easy. The pros are, it is rust-proof, it is also waterproof, it can be wall-mounted, it can resist heat, and easy to install. However, the cons are, it is a bit heavy. Why do we recommend it? This is made of stainless steel, which is rust and waterproof, and you are searching for a tools holder just like this. So we highly recommend this one for you to buy. Different people have different choices. We highly recommend Black Style Station by Polder and Simple Houseware Mount Tools Organizer because our expert team selected them as top-rated products. So do not be late. Buy your one today. Buying guide. What to look for in a hair tool organizer before buying. There are some key features to look for in a product while buying. If you follow them, you can always buy the best one. Here, we made a list of factors that you need to check while buying a hair tool organizer for your beauty products. 1. Material. Material is important because the longevity of a product depends on its material. Always try to buy metallic or flexible plastic material because it lasts for a long time. This is not a product to change after a month, so always choose the best one with a good budget. 2. Size. Size depends on your hair tools. If you have hair beauty products only, you can buy a medium-sized one. But if you want to keep your hair kits or instruments like a hairdryer, you have to buy a large one. But always try to buy a large one. 3. Hanging system. You must check if there is a hanging system in the tool organizer. Otherwise, you cannot hang them on the wall. This is all about the best hair tool organizer. Hair tools are as essential as hair. Without a good hair tool, we cannot take proper care of our hair. We know that hair tools are a little bit expensive, and if we do not take proper care of them, they will not last for long. To take proper care, we need to keep them in a better place, and a hair tools organizer is the best place to keep them. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section, and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.